Alright, welcome to a brand new video, and guess what time it is? Yeah, it's time for another unboxing. We got another package. So the company who sent me this package actually deleted their Insta, so I don't know what their Instagram is or anything. But if I find any info to the site, I will leave it here so you can see. But anyways, let's just get into the unboxing because that's what y'all clicked the video for. We're gonna skate the shoes as well, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright. Yeah, this is a Jordan 4 Pine Green SB. I think we're gonna need a knife for this. Now we got a knife, let's open this. Alright. Ooh, I just damaged the box. Fuck. Alright, anyways. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, okay, I see. What? There's literally paint. Here we got it. The box looks like this. Nothing out of the ordinary. So yeah, nothing out of the ordinary. Just a normal box. But now for the reveal. Oh shit. This thing is clean, bro. Holy shit. This thing is crazy. Holy f, this is good. I saw the real ones yesterday in a shop, so I'm amazed this thing is so good. So here we have them. The Jordan 4 SB Pine Green.
Gold chain, man, I leg bliss off my dark skin. Wait, I got a bad bitch, she a dark skin. I work on my shit, then I let it spin. I don't give niggas second chances. Your style is smelly, nigga, give it a shower. Never feeling like the man of the hour, always feeling like the man of the year. I hit shit in and out every year. I'm vibing out, now she wanna come near. She wasn't the one, she burst into tears. Real nigga, how I run with.
Okay, so now we're about to check the details. So this cage, everything goes the right way, and it's rubber here. Like that's the thing with the SBs. It's rubber, and on the other Jordan 4s is like hard. The insole feels good, looks good, and here the lip is thick, and the sides are thick. Everything is so fucking good. Yeah, this is a great shoe. Thank you so much to the company who made these. I'm so sorry. They deleted their Insta, so I can't do anything, but I'm trying to find out everything I can to show my appreciation. So yeah, now we're about to skate them. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so now I got the shoes on me, and when I first took them on, they felt fucking great. Not gonna lie. And most of the reps, as I've said in every video, most of the reps are not comfortable, but these are fucking comfortable, bro. I can't believe it. And the leather and everything is so fucking good, I can't believe it, like. But we're about to do a flicking test. Okay, so a flicking test, comfortability test, and look. First we can take comfortability, and I give them 9 out of 10. Very comfortable. The looks, I give 8.5. They look so good.
Got a big blood sensor, she wanna play with.
Now we're about to do the flicking test. So we're just gonna do some kick flips, some heel flips, some ollies, just feel them out. So let's do that right now.
By my specialties, I'm making a beat that I sip technique. Your bitch wanna step with me, my woman ain't cheap, she wears Fenty. Unfortunately, your time is up, my time is now, they're rating me, and I'm in the major league, 16 out of 10.
They feel very good. No, what's good, bro?
Wow. Made them nice.
Yeah, they're very nice. So now I'm testing Beppa's shoes.
Niggas know I'm the captain. You can catch me, must stay sharp. I've only known you 2 weeks. How can you ask me to say that I love you? I had to just burst the bubble. I come from the south, man, I come from the rubble. That's why the trouble with folks. I'm serving these niggas, they're calling me happy. From the Simpsons, yeah.
Alright, so the flicking I give like 7 maybe. They're not the best, but they're not the worst either. Let's try a tray flip. Okay, I'm just trash now, so yeah. See ya.
Like I play for the Spurs, I keep my head down, I don't talk much, I just sit and observe. Man, I just learn, I had to quickly just put some niggas in the dirt. I skid and I skirt, yeah, I skid and I skirt.